Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got some exciting news and it came in this envelope. So watch the end of this video to find out exactly what it is. So who here panics about the weight of their motorhome? Ours is 3.5 tonne and we've probably only got about 470 kilos as payload. So considering there's me, Becky, the boys, or Becky, the boys, me, I should do it that way around. We're probably over that with all the stuff, so we have to be careful. We never go to a weigh bridge. But I watched a recent video on how easy it was to upweight your motorhome. So let me show you what we learned and how we did it. The best thing about it was we didn't have to do anything to our motorhome at all. We actually just reached out to a company called SV Tech, sent them an email. They requested some information which included our current weight plate, the vehicle, so the Ford Transit end of our motorhome, what motorhome it was, let them know what tyres we've got and what suspension we've got, and that's it. Soon after sending that information, I received a quote in my inbox, which was around £350, but I'll leave the actual price of it in the comments and descriptions below, which was just basically to do nothing to our motorhome at all, to take it right up to 4 tonnes. Now, if we wanted to take it to 4.1 or 4,100, we'd have to put air suspension in, but 4 tonnes would give us nearly 1,000 kilos as a payload, so 950 roughly as a payload. So I thought that's brilliant. All we had to do was accept the quote, transfer the money over from the invoice, and then we received this in the post. So we received the instructions of what to do. We got a new weight plate that we need to stick on the motorhome, which we're going to do in a second, and then all the forms needed to send to the DVLA with your current V5 to get it uprated. So how easy is that? Let's go stick the new plate on now. So here's our current VIN plate and we're going to stick it just here. Simple as that. And this is what you get. You got to put it clean. Voila! So please bear in mind I've just done my C1 licence. It does mean I can drive up to 7.5 tonnes. So if you haven't got this, you won't be able to upweight your motorhome or buy one above 3.5 tonnes. So we've got a new V5 coming from the DVLA, and now we don't need to worry about our weight limit. So peace of mind on the road, so I don't get pulled over and checked and then get told off. So thumbs up. If you like this video, give us the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button. And if you've not got the bell icon on, you won't be notified of our content. So please switch that on. Thanks for watching, guys. Say bye, everyone.
Bye,
Good boy. So on that note, I'll leave you guys till the next video. Any questions, leave it in the comments below. I'll leave everything in the descriptions. Thanks for watching again.